Good evening, everyone. Back with another video. Today we're going to be replacing the engine coolant, and also we're going to be replacing one of the connectors. So basically this is it here. I had to order it from the dealer. So the old part, this little silver piece here, was missing from it. I'll show it to you now. Alrighty, let's see if I can get in here. Alright, so this is it here. Let's see if I can get in there. Yeah, see, this is it here. So I had put a little temporary fix, thought that would work, but it didn't. So it just literally comes right off. So this is it here. So thought I put this temporary fix on it, but like I said, that didn't work. All right, so give me one moment. Let me take this piece off. Okay, so I went ahead and took the temporary fix off. So as you can see, that little silver piece just wasn't there for some reason. All right, and as for the engine coolant, we're gonna do a flush because when I was stuck on the road, I had to use water to get me temporarily moving again. So all right. So over here, we're gonna use this bottom hose here. We're gonna pull this hose out in order to drain all the radiator fluid and replace it. Right. And as GM recommends, we're gonna be using the Dexcool. There is a lot of controversy surrounding this product, but you know, I'm not a scientist to run tests. I mean, it is what it is. I'm going to be replacing that, so I'm going to be mixing that with some water, and we're going to get going. Okay, all right, so let's get the ball rolling. So pretty much for this first part here, all we have to do is so get something to loosen this clamp and just, you know, pull this out. So working on a budget here, so I don't always have the proper tools, but let's see what I can use to get this ball rolling. Okay, all right, a little bit of fighting finally came out. Okay, here we go. Here's a new piece from the dealer. So before trying to replace it, we got to remember to push this up. If not, it will not go in. All right, so we got to make sure we take the little thing, the little silver piece here, pull it up, and then it's going to lodge itself right there in the center. And then from there, you'll be able to put it in, snap it back in for a tight grip. Okay, we got it in there, nice and tight. All right, so now it's time to work on the flushing the system. So I'm going to be pulling the bottom hose that's connected to the radiator there at the bottom and flush the system. All right, welcome back. I've already replaced the connector. There, car is running. I've already replaced the fluids as well. So just waiting for it to continue to run and cycle out and look for any leaks. Okay, fan just kicked on. Water has cycled through. No leaks. leaks from the hose connected to the radiator. Alright, the fan is cycling through it like normal. Let's check inside. Okay, and the temperature gauge is where it's supposed to be. It's been running now for over 20 minutes or so, and that's a good sign. Alright, gonna clean up here, put everything back up together, and that will be all, folks. Thanks again for watching, and like I said, I will continue to make more videos. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.